Hey guys, Steve Xiao here. I'm at Seattle International Airport heading to Utah, and while I'm on the flight, a 2-hour flight, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna build a Windows 8 app while I'm on the flight. Alright, I'm gonna stop now. People think I'm crazy. The key to building your Windows 8 app is to make sure you have a Visual Studio 2012, and what we're gonna do is to use a template and change the data that's hardwired into the project. Alright, you have various choices for writing your Windows 8 app. What I'm going to show you is C# and XAML, but if you are a HTML5 developer, you can use that as well. Or if you want to do C++, that's possible too.
Very pleasant good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm happy to welcome you aboard Delta Airlines Flight 1346 operating.
So I arrived at the hotel, and I'm going to do a quick voiceover of what I did during the flight. This is Visual Studio 2012, and I've selected a new project in Visual C# with the Grid App project template. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to debug this into the local machine, and you will see what you already have right out of the box. Obviously these are just showing gray boxes, and we're going to change that. And what we're going to do is to instead of showing blank solid colors, I'm going to show pictures of my son. I prepared a couple of pictures here, and what I'm going to do next is to click and drop them into the assets folder. Now the second thing that I'm going to do is to get to the file where the hard-coded data lives and change that into something meaningful for my little app here. And you'll find them in the samples data sources.cs file. Scroll down past the midpoint and you'll find the data that's being hard-coded. Now I'm going to borrow the structure of the data, but I'm going to comment out what is automatically generated for us here. So I'm going to go ahead and comment all this out. And during the flight, what I did was I copied the structure of the automatically generated data, but I put in data that's meaningful to the photos that I dropped in. And here you see data that speaks to the photos, when they were taken, and captions for each photograph. Now I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste this back into the project. And then we're going to just go ahead and hit F5 and see what we've got. Now remember that we only did 2 changes. We dropped the photographs into the assets folder, and we changed the hard-coded data. And you see that everything else has been automatically wired up for us. Even things like snap view. So here we have a snap view, and then when we change the focus to we see that our app has been popped into the snap view automatically. Cool. Obviously this is showing hard-coded data. It just takes a few lines of code to fetch the data from the cloud, and you have exactly the same experience. Hope you enjoyed this little simple demonstration.